Welcome to online classes DO Nalgonda. I am Sheikh Ibrahim, School Assistant Social Studies, ZPHS Gattuppal. Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the rest of the lesson in the movement for the formation of Telangana state. It is a continuation of previous video. Okay, and in this part we are going to discuss about the final phase of Telangana movement for the separate statehood, and there are many agitative forms carried out, agitative programs regarding the Telangana movement as well. In previous classes we have discussed about the many caste organizations and NGOs and other organizations. They carried out many programs and protests to make aware the people of Telangana society towards Telangana importance and a need of separate state. At the same time, there are many agitative forms taking place in this phase also to achieve the independent state of Telangana. In this way, the agitative forms like Dhoom-dhams and Padayatras or marches to reach out the people of Telangana society and make awareness about the Telangana concept and Telangana sentiment, the spirit of Telangana as well, and Garjanas also, and Vanta Varpu, collective cooking, that is the Vanta Varpu in various places throughout Telangana, every corner of Telangana, the people, all sections of people take part in this movement very active manner and enthusiastic manner, and with commitment and dedication towards the achievement of separate state. And Telangana Talli, that is the identity of Telangana symbol, okay, erected by some sculptures to focus the Telangana issue, to focus the Telangana sentiment to the common man, okay. And Sakala Janula Samme, it is take part nearly 42 days to make awareness and demanding for separate state throughout Telangana, throughout state. In every corner of the Telangana region, people participated, even employees, all sections of departments, various departments take part in Sakala Janula Samme seeking for Telangana state. Nearly 42 days. And million marches also taking place. And Bonalu, the traditional offering of local deities, and Batukamma as well. So in this way, many programs, many protests carried out for achievement of Telangana, and in this way many JACs, joint action committees from various departments and caste organizations and JAC, joint action committees, even students also formed as a joint action committees, employees department wise, they make some joint action committees to fight for the separate state of Telangana. So in this way, the whole Telangana society directly or indirectly participated for the formation of Telangana as well. Okay, and in the same way, some political leaders and dignitaries of Telangana leaders, they are also trying their level best to focus the separate statehood issue to the center, but center did not agree to announce separate state due to the lobbying of Andhra leaders, Andhra representatives, as well as assembly as well as center in MPs mode. So that is why finally the present Chief Minister of our Telangana state, K. Chandrasekhar Rao, KCR, wanted to form a separate political party, which is the main aim was to form the Telangana state. So in this way, Telangana Rashtra Samiti, TRS party, was formed in the year of 2001, April 27 by K. Chandrasekhar Rao, KCR, popularly known as KCR, for fighting for separate statehood. So in his captaincy, KCR is a tremendous political experienced and a good political strategy and a good orator. He spoke in many public meetings to make aware the Telangana society regarding the importance of Telangana, the need of separate state, the need of independent state. In many public meetings, he delivered his speech in Telangana accent, in local accent, which could easily understood by the common man of Telangana society. So in this way, he make awareness among the people regarding the Telangana sentiment and Telangana spirit and the need of Telangana as well. Okay, so and anyhow, due to some political equations and forcing of the Andhra leaders, MLAs and MPs and ministries in different concepts, central government, till then there is no announcement from the union government for the formation of Telangana separate state. That is why finally KCR made some discussions with the intellectuals, political dignitaries and some important leaders of Telangana, organizations, all these things, to discuss about the Telangana state formation, what are the steps we are going to follow to achieve our Telangana separate state. So in this way, he finally decided to go on indefinite hunger strike. So in this way, KCR wanted to go on the indefinite hunger strike on November 29, 2009 at Rangadampalli near Siddipet. By these tremendous steps taken by KCR to form the final goal of achievement of Telangana. And he started his march to reach the protesting site from Karimnagar. In between the way, before reaching the protesting point or hunger strike point, police arrested KCR before reaching the protested point, that is the Rangadampalli, and later he shifted to Khammam jail. After his arrest, he taken to Khammam jail. Once this incident was spread like wildfire throughout Telangana corners, when the KCR was arrested by the police, the whole Telangana stood at their feet and became a fireball and roar with Jai Telangana movement, Jai Telangana for separate state. So in this way, the whole Telangana become sad of saga for the arrest of KCR. And it became there is a tense situation prevailed in Telangana from various sections of people. And day by day in jail, in Khammam jail also, KCR started his fasting, hunger strike, even jail also. Due to the health conditions of KCR, doctors suggested him, you better to withdraw your hunger strike, because your blood sugar levels and BP levels and health conditions declining day by day, and all the health conditions fall down to danger. That is why the doctors requested KCR to withdraw the strike, but KCR did not accept the withdrawal of his hunger strike. He want to continue his hunger. Okay, and at this moment the health condition has been declining day by day. The whole Telangana people got a intense situation. KCR is going to die in few hours. This kind of information came out from the jail as well. So when the people of Telangana hear this sad news, they have to nearly 3.5 crores people of Telangana raising their 3.5 crores of people of Telangana raising their 7 crore hands to praying their gods to save their leader. In this process, in this context, in this juncture, the central government also feel pressure to solve the Telangana issue. The whole Telangana becomes very disturbed conditions like Rasta Rokos, burns, strikes. All education institutions have been boycotted. All employees boycotted their duties from offices. They are also take part actively and enthusiastic to save their leader, to protest the Andhra's dominance, at the same time to achieve their final goal of state of Telangana achievement. At that moment, the central government convened some meetings and made some high level discussions, wide range of consultations with various parties of country and various leaders of the different states. They made discussions, and finally they take promises from all parties for solidarity and support of Telangana. In return, based on these discussions report as well as the written reports, the central government wanted to announce Telangana. That is why in the official mode, that means the Parliament of India announced a separate state of Telangana on December 9th, 2009. That means Telangana announcement by the central government on December 9th, 2009. With this announcement, the whole Telangana society feel very happy, and KCR also wanted to withdraw his hunger strike on 9th December after announcement of Telangana by the center. Okay, so in this way the whole Telangana society distributed sweets among the people and bursting the crackers with happy mood. So in this way the whole Telangana society in festive mood to celebrate their independent state. That means their dream come true after 6 long decades of their struggle, they want to be an independent state. In this process, there are certain consequences taken place after the announcement of the central government in 2009 December 9th. The whole Andhra leaders, MLAs and MPs, irrespective of their parties and religions, they resigned their ministries and membership in parliament as well as assembly, irrespective of parties. Then the central government became shocked with their unexpected response by the Andhra leaders. Why they are resigning when we are giving the Telangana to the people of Telangana society? Why the people of Andhra behaving like this? Because the central government majority fell into danger to fell down the government in parliament. All these disturbances taken place in the center, that means in the parliament as well as the assembly. So in these situations, after observing all these situations, the central government thought very seriously how to resolve this deadlock of Telangana issue. After wide range of discussions taken place from various leaders of Andhra as well as the different leaders, and finally, due to the pressure of the Andhra personnel and Andhra lobbyings, the central government decided to take back his promise and withdraw the announcement of Telangana in 2009 December 23rd. December 23rd. After hearing this news, this decision, announcement given by the center, the whole Telangana become very rageous. They disturbed a lot because they are in happy mood once the first announcement. Later they got bitter experience from the second announcement as well. And again, all the organizations to take part very severe protest to reach their goal, to convince the center to form the separate state. At this moment, the central government appointed a 5-member committee to resolve the deadlock of Telangana separate state strikes and agitations under the chairmanship of B.N. Sri Krishna. There are 5 members committee, and committee was appointed by the central government on February 3rd, 2010. The committee pursued the issue, met many leaders from both sides, that means Andhra, Rayalaseema as well as Telangana, and discussed in various issues how to solve the problem, how to resolve this deadlock, how to satisfy the Telangana society without formation of Telangana. But the people of Telangana, the leaders of Telangana did not satisfy any solution which is recommended by the Sri Krishna committee except the formation of separate state. Formation of separate state is the only solution to the problem of Telangana issue. That is why they unanimously has given the resolution and presented to Sri Krishna committee in a single sentence: we want Telangana only. But they have a great slogan. When the KCR went on hunger strike, he has given the slogan, KCR Sachudo Telangana Vachudo. With this spirit, they fight for separate state. And during the course of time, the central government also pursue the whole issue what is going on in Telangana from Delhi by intelligence forces, which is lobbying by the diverted by the Andhra leaders. That is why the Sonia Gandhi government, that means Manmohan Singh government, appointed some intelligence officers, personnel in Telangana to pursue the real issue what is going on ground. So in this way, they made a report and submitted to the central government. The whole Telangana society became raised, the whole Telangana roaring with joy Telangana, and every child of Telangana, they want separate state. Their agitation very severely, they agitate severely to achieving their goal. After these consequences, after these incidents observing by the central government made wide range of discussions from various parties leaders, MLAs and MPs and CMs of various states of India. They agreed and they also pay solidarity towards our movement, except Andhra leaders. And finally, central government come to the conclusion that they want to create Telangana as a separate state from Andhra. So in this way, they made some official announcements in the parliament that we are going to that we are going to form separate state of Telangana in recent days. So in this way, on the basis of their statement, the separate Telangana bill, Telangana state bill has been formed by the authorities and put into parliament for process. There are many discussions taken place in parliament process. The MPs of Andhra, particularly Lagadapati Rajagopal Rao, the MP of Vijayawada, he made a bitter experienced behavior in Lok Sabha. He applied pepper spray among the MPs. Those are going to support to the separate Telangana bill. And finally, Center is dedicated to his first promise, that is on December 9th, 2009. They made a separate Telangana bill. So in this way, some discussions taken place in Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha. Many MPs from all parties throughout India, they support Telangana in majority. So in this way, the Telangana bill, separate Telangana bill was introduced in Lok Sabha and approved by Lok Sabha on February 18th, 2014. In the same way, in Rajya Sabha also, on February 20th, 2014, Rajya Sabha also approved with a great majority for separate state of Telangana. And finally, thus draft that bill sent to the President on March 1st, 2014. Even President also assigned on the same date and announced officially as a President mode, Telangana would be formed on 2nd June 2014. He has given the clarity. Once the President signed on the bill, it becomes an act. That is why there is no scope to stop that process. When the President given the official statement in the Parliament, after his signing, the whole Telangana burst into crackers. They distribute many sweets and they celebrate their happy mood. the whole Telangana became a festive mood. So in this way, the Telangana state was announced officially by the central government after the process of parliamentary records, and finally the Telangana state was formed on 2nd June 2014 as the 29th state of India, Hyderabad as their capital city. There are certain conditions is there and the draft, that means separate Telangana bill. Later all the issues has been solved in a very decent manner. So what we are fighting for 6 decades, what the people of Telangana agitating for separate statehood from the 6 decades, they finally succeed by announcing the president Telangana as a separate state. So in this way, our Telangana state has been formed by the center and it became an independent state. You know, after the formation of separate state of Telangana, there are certain changes taking place. The elections process going on, elections held, and the TRS party won its majority to form the government, and KCR is the first chief minister of our Telangana state. Later, he chart out many programs and welfare schemes and developmental schemes, irrigational projects, and many more to uplift the Telangana society in different fields. And the main slogan is to creating Bangaru Telangana in his administration. So I hope every Telanganite, every citizen of Telangana try honestly and hard work and work honestly for the development of Telangana, which leads to Bangaru Telangana as well. And in this way, finally, we got succeed for separate statehood. This is the movement for the Telangana formations, the process of Telangana, the many programs chart out by the people from the 1950s onwards. We are fighting for separate state, and finally we got succeed in 2014 by the center. Now Telangana became an independent state in the Union of India as 29th state. Okay, and I would like to show some agitative clippings. When the movement was going on, many JACs and many protest programs is carried out by the people of Telangana society in the name of various programs like Sakala Janula Samme, and all the people of Telangana, they take part in Sakala Janula Samme nearly 42 days, and many employees also take part in this movement, and Manavaharam, when the KCR went for hunger strike for achieving the goal of Telangana, okay, his health condition, see this picture, he is ready to sacrifice his life for the sake of Telangana as well, and finally he succeeded in his attempt. And this is the parliament, what we discussed in this concept, and the parliament discussions taking place in Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha. The MPs of Andhra from Rayalaseema, they protest the formation of separate Telangana bill, and finally accepted by the parliament. And this is our Telangana, what we are fight for 6 decades, we got succeed in 2014 as well. Okay. Okay children, I hope all of you understand this lesson very well and enjoy this class. Okay. One more thing, you better to go through the textbook from page number 308 to 325 for better comprehension or understanding, especially some key dates and issues. It is very important for bit paper point of view. You go through the lesson once. Okay. Thank you very much.